Hello. I am going to assemble this little heart box from Lisa Horton, and this is made with the papers from Stamperia, the new Alice papers. So I'm first going to show you these. I have this little block that is the same as the big one, so I'm just going to show you what the papers look like. And I am sorry if the kids will run in and out of the room sometimes, because they are homeschooling now, so just take that. You see these nice cards and also the backgrounds. Every paper has two sides. You can also use the back one, the back of these lovely cards. And this one is also beautiful because I used this was a rice paper. I'm just going to show you just a little piece of that I have used on these elements, but it's the same as the paper, only bigger and beautiful. These cards and tags, you can make beautiful cards and tags using your projects. You see? Also this one. And these cards. Hi! Lovely, lovely backgrounds and papers to use on all your projects. I used also this one to make a little paper stash. I'm going to hide it in the box. You're going to see it later when I assemble it. I all cut them out, and they have also a lovely background, like a real paper stash. So these are the papers from Stamperia. You also have them in a big paper block, 30-30, 12 by 12 inches, and it's the same as the little one, only bigger. So I really love Alice and the phrases and things, so you always, these cards are just a little bit bigger. You see the difference. So that is what I used for the little heart box. These are all the elements. You got the background. This is the top, and this is the thing that goes on top of the box. You will see it in a minute. The heart I already sticked on it, so you're going to see what I'm going to do with that. So all these elements you have, and I'm going to show you how to assemble it. So you put the sides on, and the top I'm going to glue it later, but I want to show you how to do it. Did I do it right? Yes. This one with the two parts are going in like this. Oh no, I did it the wrong way. This one with all the pieces needs to go on the bottom. And this one with the edge goes with the beautiful paper, goes on the top. And then this one fits in real nice in here. And this one goes on top. Then you got this piece. It fits nicely in here on top. And this is just the gear. I'm going to put it somewhere on my project later. You will see the finished version later on. I'm going to hide this one. And I'm going to use a piece of that rice paper. And you will see later on how it is finished on the pictures. I also cut out one of the Alice pictures from one of the tags who are with it in the card. Or in the paper stack, I mean. And I made a little watch with this, and I'm going to attach it somewhere. So I will show that on the pictures with my tutorial, and I just wanted to let you see how you can assemble this box. So because there are a lot of pieces, and you can clearly see what I am how it is assembled. So I'm hoping you going to have a lovely day and have a lot of fun, because this box will be on the show on the 25th. Lisa on Create and Craft, that has already been done, so you can order them on Create and Craft TV. And I have nothing else to say than just stay healthy and help each other, and in every way to make your day and everyone's day happy. Just be kind to each other, and let's help each other through these difficult times, and just stay crafting and have fun with crafting. And maybe you can make cards to let other people know that you're thinking of them, and so that they also have a nice day when they receive a card, or elderly people who can't leave the home. I'm going to make cards to send them to them, so they have a nice day and just get something else than just nothing, no visitors and things. Well, okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.